This afternoon, the eye of Category 4 Tropical Cyclone Harold will arrive over Kandavu, bringing the worst of the heavy rains, winds and flooding to Fiji. All roads on Vitilevu have been shut to travel until further notice. Emergency authorities are the only personnel allowed to travel. All Fijians should stay indoors unless directed to evacuate by authorities. Our evacuation centers are safe. Evacuation centers are sanitized and monitored to ensure they do not surpass capacity. Those under quarantine due to the threat of coronavirus will not mix with others. We have received reports of vendors and farmers who have been trying to sell produce despite the severe weather. This needs to end. Everyone needs to immediately shelter indoors in their homes or in evacuation centers. There are also a number of reports of winds whipping up flying debris in the Suva area. Flying debris can be deadly. Keep yourself indoors and out of harm's way until our authorities have given the all clear that it's safe to be outdoors. As we see flooding throughout the country, I'm pleading with everyone to stay out of floodwaters. Keep your children out of floodwaters. These waters are deadly, unpredictable, and can carry debris that can maim or kill. Stay indoors. Do not travel. Stay safe, Fiji.